I'm Jerry Rex, President and CEO of Methods Machine Tools. This year we're celebrating our 60-year anniversary in the industry. And at IMTS we're trying to show not only a variety of machine tools and technologies, but we're showing new innovative solutions, trying to help customers solve problems through providing solutions that integrate technology, software, automation, and that's what we're all about.
Hi, I'm Michael Kierce from Methods Machine Tools. We're here at IMTS 2018 and we're debuting our Haberle Plus K automation cell. This cell gives us the ability to expand beyond the 21 tool capabilities that the RoboDrill has always had. In the carousel, you can see that we can have additional tools as well as pallets for exchanging in and out of the RoboDrill. Each tool rack has 24 tools additional. The cell comes with one tool rack, it comes with one pallet rack, and you can expand and mix and match in between all you want.
So here at IMTS we're displaying our Methods brand product. It's brand new. We have three different products here. We have an MV800H machine, we have an MV1600, and we have our pride and joy here, which is an MB650U machine. So basically this is a full 5-axis simultaneous machine. It comes standard with 15,000 RPM. It has an air oil spindle, it has thermal compensation, it has a chiller, a spindle chiller, and it also has a liquid cooled spindle motor. So combined with that, we have the FANUC 31i MB5 control, which is a full 5-axis simultaneous control. And along with that, it has a 1,000 block look ahead, which is required in full 5-axis simultaneous work. And then it has a data server, a CF card, which is 2 GB, and it gives customers the ability to do that full 5-axis work without problem.
I'm Bernie Otto from Methods Machine Tools. I'm here to introduce our newest, latest version from Kierce, the Kierce 3845 KAI. What we're highlighting here is a compact 400mm machine with a new guidework design, 1,100 pound capacity, 50 horsepower, but the main thing, 80 meters rapid. It's a fast machine, 3,149 inches rapid, fastest in its class. Today we're also looking at Kierce H40. This is an automation cell we've developed for some of our key customers. We're showing a full 4th axis with either hydraulic or air clamping on the machine, coupled with a robot in front for, again, quick cycle times for unmanned operations.